Hey guys, this is Rohan Pal representing the ACE and I am your new Idols instructor. Today I'm going to be teaching you an intermediate choreography on the song Masakali by Mohit Chauhan. It's one of my favorite songs. I hope you like it too. And the entire choreography is going to be divided into 4 sections and every step is going to be taught to you in detail from head to toe. So let's not waste any more time and get into the choreography and let's get this. Alright, hi guys. What's up? Hope you're well. This is Rohan Pal representing the ACE and this is
Jordan representing the ACE.
Jordan, yeah, representing the ACE. And we're here at Incredible Digital Arts Learning Studio, aka Idols, and this is the place to be at. A lot of information are out on this page, and I'm here to share mine. There's a choreography class, there's an intermediate choreography class. So it's a lot more about having fun rather than getting into a lot of detailings. Yes, there are going to be details because the entire point of my class is to get you closer to the music as much as I can. At the same time, I would suggest that really let go of a lot of built up tension across your body to do this piece. Yes, there is, it's sort of fast, then it goes slow, it goes fast, it's got a dynamic again, but you really want to have fun with this one because it's a fun song. The name of the song is Masakali. Yeah, so dedicate this to your Masakali or dedicate it to me. I can be your Masakali. Cool. Cool. So we're going to start off with section 1. There are 3 sections to this. So section 1, we're going to take it super slow from the top with counts, and we're going to take it slow. Then we're going to interpret it with the music. We're going to have a music interpretation, and then we're going to go slow, medium tempo, and then with music. And repeat it for section 2 and 3, and that's how we do it. All right, cool. So from the top, it starts on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. No. It goes 1, 2, dug. It's actually dug. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 2, 4. Masakali. Yeah, you know the song. I know you've heard it. It's a very catchy song. All right, so the music starts on 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. All right, so you're gonna start on 1. There is a bass, boom, 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 boom. So it comes once, it comes twice, it comes once, it goes away. All right. If you've done popping, great. If you've not done popping, it's all right. You just have to hit your body out. I suggest you can use your knees for this one. So you can just go boom. Yeah, just like let go of your knees, boom. All right. So you hit it once, boom. You change. You come to the right side, boom, boom. You change the left side, boom. All right. 1, If you can do it with the chest, nothing like it. We are gonna do it with the chest. We just want to stick right with the technique. So we're gonna go side, hit. All right. However you want, you can go pa. All right. Yes. 5, 6, 7. You go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Cool. So you go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. All right. You go 5. This it's like it comes एक बार boom, boom, boom. Then you're expecting कि वो फिर से 2 बार आएगा, but वो एक बार आता है तो boom, and you're like दूसरी बार नहीं आया. What the fuck? What was that? Yeah, you want to be like, you want to have that expression over here. So you're like confident. You're like starting with the piece. You're like pa, boom, boom, boom. Okay, not like too much. Not that. Just like boom, and then you come down. Okay, cool. Very simple, okay? So you go hit 1, 2, ba. You look around, this goes 5, 6, and 5, 6, there is a switch in your feet. 6 and. So you want to go chick. पीछे music बजेगा chick. बहुत easy, not कुछ नहीं. Chick. Alright, very simple. You go chick. As soon as you start this motor, your legs go ga Masakali. So this goes 7 and a 80 and a 7 and a 80 and a 70 and a 80 and a. So this goes 7 E and a. Simple, alright? Ha, this goes 7E and a, 8E. Once again, just that footwork. Think Michael Jackson, alright? Think Michael Jackson over here. 6, 5, 6, 7 and 6, 7 and a 8E. 1, 7 and 7, 7E and. This is actually 7E and a, alright? This goes 7E and a, 8E and. Yes. 5, 6, 7E and a, 8E and. Once again, 5, 6, 7E and a, 8E and. Now your hands, there are no hands to this. You just want to keep it low and keep it chill. Ha, ga, 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 ha. As soon as you hit it out, you go out, in, roll, 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 up. Yeah, just go roll, roll, roll. You hit this position up like you're holding a hat and you want to extend your Adam's apple out. Is this feeling? ये जो feeling है, ये है इसके साथ. But at the same time, your legs are just gonna go boom, boom, and this goes back. Pa. Alright, you just get it. Pa. And you want this to lead from your chest, traveling to your intestine, to your stomach, to your pelvis, alright? And make it very thick. This is like go, 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 go. Should be like thick, alright? 5, 6, oh sorry, my bad. 5, 6, 7 and 8E and 1. So this goes 7 and 8E and. ये जैसे ही इधर जाता है ये स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Ha ga 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 masakali. Yes, masakali. So see the neck. It goes masakali. It's not masakali. This is not gonna give the feel. You want it to go masakali. Yeah, it's like bah. Like feel me out. Yeah, you want to tell the person who's watching your video to feel you out. That does not sound right. But feel you out bhavnaon se. Yes. 5, 5, 6, 7 and 8E and a masakali. So you go masakali. This goes 1, 2. From here you're gonna go 3. Just let it go down. Oh, this is here. Masakali. Let's hit it down. So it's a masakali masa. You wanna put the wave down in and ta ha. Alright, you just want to go into it. Ha ha ha. Yes, so this goes masakali, masakali, ting ha. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.